The Unihertz Luna is the clone of the Nothing Phone 1 with a $300 price tag. The device also features a transparent shell-like structure at the back with LED light strips that glow up in different colors, making it a lot similar to the glyph interface on the Nothing Phone 1. Unihertz calls the LED lights at the back of the device a simplified geometric interface with minimalistic lines inspired by the ancient Oriental philosophy of the round sky. The device comes with some interesting specs that I'll be talking about in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So the Unihertz Luna is a smartphone with a 6.81-inch Full HD Plus hole punch display. It is equipped with 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which is a generous amount of storage for a smartphone. It means that the Luna can handle multitasking and run apps smoothly without lagging. The Helio G99 processor powers the Luna, which is a mid-range octa-core processor designed for smooth and efficient performance. The processor is optimized for gaming and other demanding applications, but it doesn't come close to the Snapdragon 778G 5G SoC that powers the Nothing Phone 1. The smartphone also features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP primary camera, 20MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The 108MP primary camera is capable of taking high quality photos with great detail, while the night vision camera is designed for low light photography. The macro camera is ideal for capturing close-up shots of small objects. Additionally, the 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. The Unihertz Luna has a 5000 mAh battery that provides plenty of power for extended use. The 18W fast charging feature allows the battery to be charged quickly, so users don't have to wait long to get back to using their phone. The smartphone also has NFC support, which allows for users to make contactless payments. It runs on the Android 12 OS, which isn't great because the Android 13 is currently the latest version of the Android operating system, but I think in the future the Unihertz Luna might get the latest Android update. Finally, the Unihertz Luna comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming less common in modern smartphones. Overall, the Unihertz Luna is a well-equipped smartphone that offers a range of features and capabilities at a reasonable price. It is suitable for those who need a powerful device for everyday use, including taking photos, playing games, and making payments.
Perfect.